What is minimal stability? In Composer, the minimal stability configuration specifies a minimum stability level for all installed packages. Packages to be installed or updated will use the minimal stability value to determine version limitations during dependency resolutions. Levels of stability. The following are the different stability levels. Then, this is the latest stable version and should never be used in production. It often includes packages under active development that may contain bugs or breaking changes and may still undergo significant modifications. It is only recommended for local development purposes. Alpha. It is a version also undergoing development but in a more stable state. It usually contains fewer breaking changes and features nearing final completion or awaiting a beta release. However, it is also not highly recommended for production environments. Beta. This version is currently using tested, and minor bugs, when noticed, will need to be fixed. However, it is more stable than the alpha and beta versions, but it is still not recommended for production purposes. RC. The RC release candidate is a version pending official release. It's the closest to being stable, but the version requires community testing and feedback prior to the final release. Undiscovered bugs can also be identified during this phase, so it's best practice not to use for production purposes. Stable. This is the required level for production purposes. It includes all packages that have gone through significant changes, bug fix, community testing, feedback, and is now ready to use.